Hey guys, Mrs. Lyons here. We're going to go over how to use Google Classroom. There are a lot of steps, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be easy peasy. So first, you're going to start by opening your assignment. You're going to click right here on whatever the work is that we've assigned. Then it's going to bring you to the picture of what it looks like. Please don't make a copy of this and have to do extra work. This is the key to making it easy for you. You see where this arrow points? There's a box with an arrow in it. Click on that. It'll bring you right to the original form and you will be smooth sailing and able to work from there. Then after we do that, it's going to bring you directly to the form. So this one is a Google slide. If you were given a Google slide, your step 4 will be to add a text box, and you're going to add a text box and you're going to be able to directly write whatever it is that Miss G or any teachers are asking you to write. If it brings you to a Google Doc, now I know all of you students know the difference between a Google Slide and a Google Doc, so you got this. It's going to let you just start type right in there. No big deal. You got this. You can type right in the Google Doc. Easy peasy. There's no need to use any sort of extra effort. It will be good to go. Now, when you're done, this is when we have to use that double tap feature to show you your apps. You see how you see my iPad right here, and I have the Google Classroom app before I went in there and the Google Slide. Go back to the Google Classroom one. You might have to once you open it big, you might have to hit an X button, but the most important thing that you're going to have to do so we can grade you and know that you're submitting all your work is to hit this purple turn in button. You're going to hit it once and it's going to say, "You sure?" You're sure. Click turn in again. And then all of those steps will be easy peasy. If you find yourself stuck and you've done it a different way, other than this super easy peasy way, you can add attachment. Follow my mouse right here where it says add attachment. You click on that and it will bring you to all the things that you can add to it. But we hope to see you working hard doing this way. This is super easy. It is a lot of steps, but this is something we've been doing all year in school, so we know you got this. Thanks for hanging in there in your 4th week of home learning. Bye, guys.